Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off auto scan when installing apps in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, click on app security and then click on app protection. Now here click on this three dot more icon and from here click on app protection settings. Now here you will see a auto scan when installing apps button. So if you want to turn off auto scan when installing apps, then turn off this button, and if you want to turn on auto scan when installing apps, then turn on this button. Now to turn on, click on turn on from the pop-up and then the auto scan when installing apps will be enabled. So that's how you can turn on or turn off auto scan when installing apps in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.